I do video, right?
Of course.
I can do
Yes.
video. Okay.
This is our new model actually, the 8 liters. This is our problem model. You can set here 4 different programs. So you can set each program.
Okay.
For the program.
Okay.
This is like the language. We have 6 languages. You can set the timer.
Okay. And this is small for the small users.
We have 3 Filtro line. This is Filtro, Filtronic and Filtronist.
Is it the only one catalog for the all product? You have only one catalog.
Yes, we have, but in PDF format. Yes.
PDF. Okay. And this also your product?
Yes. You can set the dosing here.
Okay.
Manual.
Hot water.
And this is for coffee. So you can take the hot or cold coffee from here.
Okay.
So this is actually under counter.
Okay. Can I see inside? Oh, okay. Here is the your.
So we can program here also the dose.
So for coffee, this one is for coffee.
This is for hot water only.
Yeah, but this is for coffee.
You can open this. We're buying this also, the fridges. We're buying this outside, but this we produce this and this we are producing in our own factory.
But how you keep the coffee?
We just take the filter coffee, put inside, and it keeps cold here. After it's 1